Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the videos.
For the past 2 weeks, it has been in the news. Let us get into the details of it. Our President, Srimati Draupadi Murmu, has launched INS Vindhyagiri, which is the final vessel of the project 17A. So, it is a project for frigate series. So, what are frigates here? We must have to understand that first and then come to other details. What are frigates? Frigate is a type of small escort ship. So, they are escort ships which are used to guard convoys from submarines, and it also has this anti-aircraft role, which means it is capable of attacking an aircraft. Okay, and then it is intermediate between destroyer and cruiser. Such points are important. Okay, so there are many different types of vessels in our Indian Navy, and one such vessel is destroyer, cruiser and frigate, corvettes, submarines and other such. This frigate will fall between destroyer and cruiser in terms of its capability and size. Okay. Next, coming to the launch, the recent launch, it marked a significant milestone in India's maritime strength and self-reliance. And this INS Vindhyagiri is the 6th ship. Okay. So it is the 6th ship. This number is important. It is the 6th ship of the Project 17A frigate. What is this Project 17A? We have to understand, and furthermore details about this INS Vindhyagiri. This is that INS Vindhyagiri. It was launched at GRSE shipyard, which is located in Kolkata, and this is the 6th of the 7 ships under Project 17A. Okay, so there is yet another which is going to come in future, that will be Mahendragiri. Okay, so this is the 6th one, 6th of the 7 ships under Project 17A of frigates, and then 2 companies have constructed this. All these details we'll see one by one. 75% of the equipment is indigenous in this. Okay, so we'll see all those details here, and this point is also important. The old INS Vindhyagiri served from July 8, 1981 to June 11, 2012. Okay, so and now we have new INS Vindhyagiri. Next. So initially there was INS Nilgiri in this Project 17A series of frigates. The first ship was INS Nilgiri, then came Udaygiri, and then Himgiri, Taragiri and Dunagiri, and then now it is Vindhyagiri. This is the 6th one. Okay, and then this Vindhyagiri has derived its name from the mountain range in Karnataka. Okay, so this must be kept in mind, because you should not confuse this with another mountain range, that is Vindhya range. Okay, so Vindhya range is actually in the states of Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh and also in Uttar Pradesh, the southern part of Uttar Pradesh. These are the states in which Vindhya range is spread. Okay, but then this Vindhyagiri is completely located in Karnataka. So this INS Vindhyagiri is named after this mountain ranges in Karnataka and not the Vindhya mountain range. Okay, next, these frigates are a follow-on class of Project 17. Already there was a Shivalik class of frigates called Project 17, and this 17A is actually a follow-on class of Project 17. Next, it is built by Garden Research Shipbuilders and Engineers, that is GRSE, like we saw in the previous slide, which is located in Calcutta. Okay. Next, what are the key features of this particular INS Vindhyagiri? First thing is, it employs cutting-edge propulsion system which enables it to move in a faster pace. That is, its speed will be over 28 knots. Okay, so when there is enhanced speed, then obviously there will be rapid response and agility. Okay, next thing is, it is equipped with state-of-the-art stealth features. What is stealth features? To act in a discreet manner, to avoid detection by others, that is called as stealth. Okay, so it is equipped with state-of-the-art stealth features which will enhance its ability to operate very discreetly and minimize detection. Other than that, we already saw that 75% of this equipment and system is indigenous, which are mostly prepared by our MSME sector, okay, the micro, small and medium enterprises sector. Next, project 17A, we have to see what are all the vehicles under, vessels under project 17A, and what are the other frigates that India has. All those details we must have to know. First thing is project 17A alpha frigates. This A means alpha, okay. So it was launched in the year 2019 by Indian Navy, and the first stealth ship of this series is INS Nilgiri, okay, which was launched in the same year 2019. And then the project was launched to construct a series of stealth guided missile frigates. So they are missile frigates, which means they are capable of attacking an aircraft, okay. Next, these are the two companies which are going to construct these ships. First company is Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders, which is located in Mumbai. And then we already saw Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers, which is in Kolkata, okay. So these two companies are going to construct. Next, what are all the frigates that India has? First, Shivalik class, also called as project 17. Now what we have is project 17A, which is a follow-on mission of this thing, okay. So it is also a stealth guided missile. Under this Shivalik class, we have Shivalik, Satpura and Shayadri, okay. And then came Talwar class of frigates, and under this we have Talwar, Trishul, Tabhar, Tej, Tarkash and Trikant, okay. So these are the frigates under this class. So if you see, they are named after the first class, okay. So likewise, project 17A is also called as Nilgiri class, okay. So that also you must have to keep in mind. Project 17 is called Shivalik class because the first vessel was INS Shivalik. Similarly, for project 17A, the first vessel is INS Nilgiri. Thus, it is also called as Nilgiri class, okay. Before that, we also had Brahmaputra class and Godavari class. And from Godavari class, there was one vessel, that is INS Gomati, which was decommissioned after 34 years of service in the year 2022, okay. So all these details are important, and this project 17A is operational from the year 2019, okay. So all these details are important, and under Nilgiri class, we already saw Nilgiri, Himgiri, Taragiri, Udaygiri, Dunagiri, and now we have Vindhyagiri. And in future, the seventh vehicle will be coming, that will be INS Mahendragiri. Okay, so all these details are important.